You have an open market with an entire information at your disposal. You find tons of answers and you don't know which one is the right one. So I think picking up a course that it's specialized and also serving you as with a community, it's super important for you. Maybe as a, let's say, professional artist, you need to go to the specific person or a community just to search for answers. My name is Irinel. Well, I took the Stylized course and I'm currently working as a graphic designer and of course doing some freelance work 3D related and of course character design related. I'm also kind of specialized in modeling or sculpting bas-relief portraits for coin industry. I'm currently living in Bucharest, Romania. So I have a bachelor in art school. I finished the, let's say, the specialization called metal-sculptor. So I sculpted in metal, traditionally sculpting. And afterwards, I kind of try to, make the transition between the traditional and the 3D stuff. The passion for 3D characters and figures and everything that's 3D related, I think it started since I was a kid. The first time I saw the concept, I was super into the silhouette and the gesture and the complexity of all those elements. And it's actually called V. It's based on a champion from League of Legends. I kind of procrastinate for a long time. I think my ArtStation profile haven't seen an artwork for half a year. I was doing stuff for freelance gigs, but I couldn't do it something personal. I need to just start focusing on my skills and doing something that I truly enjoy and taking the time, not rushing, not sacrificing any quality, and also meeting the community. One of the things that I relearned, let's say, I think it's the basics, foundations, those artistic foundations that will make your life so much easier. The most challenging part was towards the end, the baking process. I was just failing after failing. So I asked for help in the community. Marlon was really helpful, and he troubleshoot the possibility of any situation that could have happened. It's already in my portfolio, and I'm super surprised about what are the reactions on ArtStation so far. It's almost 300 likes. And it's super important, to have some checkpoints or a more organized, environment to play with, and also works as a motivation. You can start any project, but probably myself and many other artists are kind of start losing the interest for that project, especially when you're working, let's say, 3 months or 2 months. That's one of the major lessons that I learned about myself, that I really need this. I really did enjoy the sessions with Alfredo, and it was really relaxing because you could ask all sorts of questions. All the guys were super cool. They reacted positively and they encouraged, and they came up with positive feedback and constructive feedback.